In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3V, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout on this Android. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called OS 18 Launcher from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Hit Get Started after closing an ad. Choose I agree to terms and conditions and tap on Continue twice. Then select while using the app in the first pop-up and allow in all the second ones. Then click on this X at the top right corner. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, hit Set as Default. Then tap on iOS Launcher to apply it and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my layout was successfully applied. If you want to, you can always go back to the same app. Tap on Set as Default again, and this way go back to your system launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!